He's shall splooge.
That's a fire.
He splooge on you yet? Flip the shoe.
Mm-mm.
Ew, the wetness.
It's not that wet.
No, it was wetter before.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I am.
Nice.
Ayla's dog. Splooging on Maygen.
Thanks.
Boot. For Nico.
And Ayla got it on her face.
And Ayla got it on her face.
Cute.
I think Christina does nothing.
I think it's done.
She has been sitting on the bed watching the craziness.
Okay.
I think he
Dog.
is done.
Dog.
What's his name?
Bob.
Bub?
Look. God damn. You think he's done?
I hope he's done. Maygen, touch him.
Nope.
He ain't done.
I feel like I enticed him though.
Look at him still going. He's like doing the motion without your footing.
Do it.
Here we go.
I feel so bad.
Oh, not my boots! Ah!
No, he's just laying down.
Mine's with your boots over here.
Oh, is it? You know, that's my reaction. No, my boots!